Every marriage has its ups and downs, moments of joy, laughter, and connection, but also times of challenge, stress, and conflict. What if I told you that the strength of your relationship isn't measured by how perfect things are, but by how you navigate the imperfect moments? Welcome to Stronger Together, Building Resilience in Marriage. In this video series, we'll explore the power of marriage resilience, what it is, why it's so important, and how you and your spouse can build it together. So what exactly is marriage resilience? Simply put, it's the ability to bounce back, to recover from the stresses, conflicts, and challenges that inevitably arise in any relationship. It's about finding strength together, not in avoiding difficulties, but in overcoming them. Resilience in marriage means not letting obstacles define your relationship. Instead, it's about seeing them as opportunities to grow closer, communicate better, and become stronger as a couple. In this series, we'll walk through practical steps to help you and your spouse cultivate resilience, so you can handle the tough times with more grace and confidence. You'll learn how to build trust, communicate more effectively, manage conflict in healthy ways, and nurture your emotional connection. Here's what you can expect from this series: how to build emotional regulation, keeping calm and grounded in tense moments. Practical tips for improving communication so you both feel heard and understood. Conflict resolution strategies that bring you closer rather than pushing you apart. Tools for maintaining emotional intimacy even in the face of life's challenges. Now, let's talk briefly about the key concepts that will guide us through this journey. These ideas will be the foundation for building resilience in your marriage. First up is emotional regulation. This is about being able to manage your emotions, especially in difficult or heated moments, so that your reactions don't harm your relationship. By staying calm and in control, you can approach conflicts with clarity and compassion. Next is communication. Healthy communication is the cornerstone of a resilient marriage. We'll dive into ways to improve your listening skills, express your thoughts clearly, and ensure that both partners feel heard and valued. Then there's conflict resolution. Every couple faces disagreements, but resilient couples know how to resolve those conflicts in a way that strengthens their relationship. We'll explore tools and techniques to help you navigate conflict without damaging your bond. Through these concepts, emotional regulation, communication, and conflict resolution, you'll begin to see challenges not as roadblocks, but as opportunities to grow closer as a couple. As we journey through this series together, remember that every step you take toward building resilience is a step toward a stronger, more fulfilling marriage. Whether you're newlyweds or you've been married for decades, resilience is something you can always work on. So let's get started. In the next video, we'll dive into the foundation of it all, trust, and how it plays a crucial role in your marriage resilience. Remember, no matter what challenges come your way, you and your spouse are stronger together. Subscribe for more videos on marriage resilience and stay tuned for the next video in our series.